Do you want to unarchive highlights on Instagram? You can restore archived highlights on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unarchive highlights on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen. Tap the three horizontal line menu at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will open with different options. From here, tap Archive. Now you are on the Archive screen. At the top of the screen, tap the down arrow and select Stories Archive if it's not already selected. Here, you will see different options at the top of the screen. Find and tap the highlight icon next to Stories Archive. Browse through your archived highlights and find the highlight you want to restore to your profile. Now, long press on the highlight. A pop-up menu will open with different options. From here, select Show on Profile. Once you select it, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap the Show on Profile to confirm. Now, the highlight will be added back to your Instagram highlights and will be visible on your profile.